This is how you use our voice over IP hosted assessment tool to see the quality that a customer could expect from their facility to our ICS Total Cloud. Simply go to our website, www.ics-com.net. From there, click on Client Resources. And then click on Browser-Based Test. You should know the password. If not, call into ICS and it'll be provided to you. Here you put how many simultaneous calls you need to provide for your solution. So let's say you want 10 simultaneous phone calls. You can run the test up to 2 minutes. For this purpose, I'm just going to run it for 60 seconds. Actually, I'll make that 15 seconds. And then I'm going to say click to start. Here you put in the company. So for this, I'm going to put ABC Company Test 1. And say OK. Sometimes this error pops up depending on what browser you're using. You can ignore that error. And this is going to run for 15 seconds. So I'm going to sit here and talk aimlessly for the next 15 seconds. It is running at G711. I could have dropped this down and also done a G729 call or G723 or 726. So the test is completed. From here, it's showing I have my jitter's fine, my packet loss is fine, and my total MOS score is 4.2. Anything over a 4 is considered total quality, so you should be happy with this. You can also click on these icons here. You can see most of this is when the call was initiated, which it takes a little bit to establish, and then the call improved itself. And you also have a few more reports here. A full detailed report is accessible by ICS, so you can talk to James, Jason, Dylan, or Brent, and they can get that full report for you. That's how you run an ICS Total Cloud VoIP assessment from a customer site. Please make sure you run it numerous times throughout the day, and I would always pick at least the 2 minute. I only did the 15 seconds because I wanted to show you a webinar and didn't want to sit there for 2 minutes while the test ran. That's it. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.